Hi there. Today we are going to learn how to sort a map in Java 8. How to sort a map? Either we can sort by a key or value. We'll take a very simple example of ID and names here to sort. Let's get started. So we're going to sort this map which contains an ID and a name. We have names dot entry set dot stream, and then for each, and this is going to print out the map. System.out println. This is how we print it. So you can see the output here. It is not sorted, it is not in any order. So now I'm going to sort this one by the use of a key. Okay, so here it is an integer, so we will sort it by an ID. So for this, we have names dot entry set dot stream. Then we have sorted method which will take a comparator as an argument. So we have map dot entry dot comparing by key, because we are actually comparing it by the key, which is integers and strings are you can just sort them by their natural order. So you can just mention comparing by key without any argument. So we're just going to print this out. So we're going to just comment this one. So here we will see that it will be sorted by a key. So we have this 2, 3, 5, 11 and 41. So we have seen how we can sort this by the key. Similarly, we can just reverse the order of it, by again supplying a comparator dot reverse order as an argument to comparing by key. And if we print this, we will get the numbers in the descending order now. So we have 41 first here, then we have 11. So we see that this is getting sorted in a descending order. Similarly, we can sort this by value also. We have comparing by value here. It will just compare it by the string now, because we have string A as a value there. So we just print this out. It's better to comment the first one, so we'll just comment this out. Yes. So now just print this out. So we see that we have sorted this by the name, that is Jane, and then at the end we have the Zach. Similarly, we can just reverse this out. We will have Zach at the first as the first. There we have it. So we see we have Zach at the top of it. So in the above example, we have taken examples of integer and string, which can be sorted by natural order. Here is an example of a custom object employee, which has name and age. Okay, and we're going to sort this. We'll use this object as a value, and then probably we'll sort this by the value. So we'll just uncomment this one at this stage, right there, and so let us print this out. Let's comment this here, and we'll just print this map here. So the map contains value as an employee object, right? So we'll just sort this by the value. We see we have an employee as a custom object. Now if you want to sort this, we have to specify now. So based on what variable, what value you want to sort this by the name or by the age here. So to do this, we have an employee map dot entry set dot stream. Then we do the similar sorted. Then we have map dot entry here, map dot entry dot comparing by value. This now we will take a comparing by value, which is having which is overlaid, and here we'll specify by what value you want to compare that object, because it's a custom object now. We'll have comparator.comparing, and then we can specify the getter method of an employee, like by what. So here it is a name, or by the age. So we'll just use initially a name. So we'll just use a method reference here, employee.getName, and then we'll try to print this out. Okay, so for each, then we have system.out, then we have println. This is how we will. So let us just comment out the employee initially, just print this out here, and we will get okay, we'll see we have sorted this by the name, which is Harish at the first, then Jim, and the Zach at the end. So now within the comparing, we can specify the reverse order also. Let's say you have to just do it in a descending order now. Comparator.reverse order. So here the name which you're trying to sort would be in a descending order. So we have Zach at the first sorted one. So let's just print this out. So we have Zach at the top of it. So you just print this in a descending order. We're just specifying comparator.reverse order. Again, we can do it by age also here. So it will be sorted in reverse order. It means it will be descending order now. You see that. Okay, now Tim, who has an age of 55, is as printed first. It's in descending order. You just remove this reverse order first to get it in ascending order. We'll get Jim, which is having age, who is having age 23 now. So that will be printed first. Yeah, that's it. 23, 30, 34, 45. So here we have seen how we can, sort the map using by key or value, or we can sort how we can sort the custom objects by the value here.